What if the most expensive looking furniture in your home started as an old shipping pallet? The most people see worn out pallets and rusty metal hardware as junk, but creative woodworkers see hidden opportunities. With a little imagination, patience, and care, these forgotten materials can become beautiful furniture and home decor that looks like it belongs in a designer showroom. The best part is that you don't need a big budget to create something amazing. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are exploring creative way to transform simple pallet wood and metal into stylish high-end home decor. Get ready to see old materials in a complete new way. Look beyond the surface. Old pallets may look rough, but they often hide beautiful wood inside. Don't judge the materials by its weathered appearance. After clearing and preparing the wood, its natural beauty begins to appear. Simple imperfections often add character instead of reducing value. Every great project started by seeing opportunity where others see waste. Give old materials a new purpose. Every piece of reclaimed wood deserves a second chance. Instead of throwing materials away, think about what they could become. One board might become a shelf, another could become a part of a coffee table or wall decor. A creative thinking turns forgotten material into valuable home pieces. Mix wood with metal. Natural woods feel warm and welcoming. Metals add history and personality. Together, they create a balanced look that feels both rustic and modern. Old handles, hangers, brackets can become beautiful decorative features. Sometimes, the smallest details create the biggest impact. Simple designs look more expensive. You don't need complicated furniture to create a luxury appearance. Clean shapes often look more elegant. Let the wood and metals become the main attraction. Avoid adding unnecessary decorations. Simple design looks more expensive. You don't need complicated furniture to create a luxury appearance. Clean shapes often look more elegant. Let the wood and metal become the main attractions. Avoid adding unnecessary decorations. Simple designs remain beautiful for many years. Create furniture that tells story. Every scratch and mark has a story. Reclaimed materials carry character that brand new products cannot copy. Your finished project become more than furniture. It becomes a conversation piece. Handmade creations always feel more personal. Build beautiful shelves. Pallet wood works wonderfully for wall shelves. Shelves add storage and decorations at the same time. Pair wooden shelves with metal brackets for extra charm. Display books, plants, candles for family photo. Functional decor always stay popular. Design a rustic coffee table. A coffee table often becomes the centerpiece of the living room. Reclaimed pallet wood gives warmth and character. Metal accents add an industrial touch. Simple designs fit almost every decorating style. A handmade table becomes something you will enjoy every day. Turn small pieces into beautiful decor. Even a leftover pallet piece can become useful decoration. Make candle holders, create picture frame, build survey tray, design wall art. Small projects are perfect for every piece of wood. Decorate without spending a fortune. Beautiful homes don't always require expensive furniture. Creativity is often more valuable than money. Reclaimed materials help you decor on a budget. Handmade furniture brings personality to every room. Great design starts with imagination. Add warmth to every room. Natural wood makes a home feel comfortable. Metal creates interesting contrast. Together, stay creates a welcoming atmosphere. These materials work beautifully in living room, kitchen, bedroom, and entryways. Warm space make people feel at home. Build furniture that lasts. Timeless furniture focus on quality instead of trends. Simple design stays attractive for years. Handmade projects often becomes family favorites. Durable furniture is always a worthwhile investment of your time. Build piece you will enjoy every day. The real secret behind luxury design. Luxury design is not always about expensive material. It's about thoughtful design and careful craftsmanship. Even old pallets can look elegant when giving new life. Creative transformation ordinary material into extraordinary furniture. That's the true beauty of woodworking. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country are you watching us. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe and join our creative community. Share this video with DIY lover, friends, family, and let's inspire more people to create beautiful space. Mix old and new for a unique style. Modern homes don't have to use only brand new furniture. Mixing reclaimed wood with metal creates a unique personality. It feels stylish without feeling expensive. Your home becomes more interesting and inviting. Every project reduces waste. Reusing old materials helps reduce unnecessary waste. Giving wood and metal a second life is rewarding. Every project keeps useful materials out of the trash. Small action can make a positive difference. Creative recycling is good for both your home and the environment. Handmade projects feel more meaningful. Building something with your own hands creates pride. Every finished piece reflects your creativity. Handmade furniture has character that factory-made items often lack. It becomes part of your home story. That's what makes DIY project so special. Start small and build your confidence. You don't need to build a large cabinet first. Begin with a shelf, tray, or small organizer. Every complicated project is a new skill. Confidence grows one project at a time. Small success lead to bigger idea. Turn your hobby into extra income. Many people love buying handmade reclaimed furniture. Simple pallets projects can become popular gifts. Rustic home decor continue to attract buyers. Quality work helps build a good reputation. A creative hobby can grow into a rewarding business. Let creativity lead the way. Don't limit your to one design. Experiment with different shapes and ideas. Every palette is different. Every project becomes unique. Your imagination is your greatest woodworking tool. Bonus creative project idea. Rustic interior bench, floating wall shelves, wooden wine rack, coffee station organizer, bathroom towel shelf, kitchen spice rack, decorative wall clock, console table, plant display stand, wooden storage cart, TV, media console, bedside nightstand. In the end, the next time you see an old pallet or a box of metal, don't see waste, see opportunity. With creativity, patience, and thoughtful design, you can transform forgotten material into a beautiful furniture and home decor that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Start with one simple project, enjoy the creative process, and keep building your skills. If today's idea inspired you, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe for more woodworking inspiration, palette project, DIY furniture idea, and affordable home decor. We would love to hear you from in the comment section. What would you build first using reclaimed palette and material? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next creative woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.